And so each house has a little deck that goes out to the pool. So these two houses share one, but it goes right to the beach. So you have your own walkway to the beach, and there's a gate there. Oh, another beautiful day, but it is a little chilly today. Okay, so I found my bedroom. If I ever stay here, look at this view. So here's the bed. Here's the view. So it has a porch, and then it does have a spiral staircase that connects the porches. But wait until y'all see this bathroom. Look at that tub. And then look at your view from the tub. So you can just soak in the tub and look at the ocean. I would definitely open the door so I could hear the ocean. And then has a rain shower head. And then its own separate room. This one is amazing. Here's another bedroom with a huge TV. And then a bathroom with his and her sinks. Oh, that was bright. And then look at this shower. That's a huge shower. And then I like when it has the toilet in a separate room. And then washer and dryer. I'm sorry you hear my shoes squeaking. So another bedroom. And with a TV. And then you see the street view. And then bathroom. And here, and then another one over here. I think they said 8 bedrooms, and it looks like they all have their own bathroom. And going up to the 3rd floor. Cute. This is cute. So there is a ping pong table, and then you just put it on top of the pool table. So you have pool, ping pong, a little table, and then you can see the ocean from the game room. This is so cute. I love this little board. And this nice couch and TV. How cute are these bunk beds? And then it has a little TV. And then a Jack and Jill bathroom. There's the shower. And then another bedroom with another amazing view of the ocean. I would honestly take any of these ocean views. And then I love this spiral staircase. And then another one with a TV. Oh, I love all the windows of this one. And then it has its own bathroom. beautiful. And I can't remember if I showed this or not, but there's just a little powder bath off of the kitchen. Such a beautiful day. Sun's out. Absolutely perfect.